Yo, back again to work on the quad. So many wheelies has this thing sideways and shredded, and if you look down here, where is it? Oh, right about there. That's supposed to be on there, you know. That's kind of broken. And this side is starting to split. So we're gonna do nothing about that, and we're just gonna put a new shock in it because I have one. Why not? That makes sense, right? Alright. So this is actually a shock from the Kawasaki 110, the stock one. I already got an upgraded one on that one. We're just gonna throw this bad boy right here. They're about the same size, but this one I think would be stronger. I would think. We'll see how it goes. Let's do a little test here. So that's how it goes right now. We'll see how it goes later. Oh, look at that. First try. 17. Oh, that's a little loosey-goosey. Maybe it's a 16. Yeah, it's probably a 16, but for some reason this set skips 16. It goes from 15 to 17. Because that makes sense. What? Are you joking me? Apparently it's not a 16. Even though I don't know. I guess we'll just work with a 17. Even though it just seems kind of loose. I don't know. There's no way that's a 13, is it? It is. 13 into 17. That's decent. That's how professional it is. Who needs tools when you keep everything finger tight? Yeah, that was really all just my fingers. I didn't need a tool for that one, apparently. I thought that was going to let it rotate. It did. Just got to give her some still. Alright. That's out. Oh! Oh, this is going to be the tough part. Should have used the jack stand or something and block to hold it up. Something Here's one. Go. She's in there. Like swimwear. Time for the test. A little test here, So that's how it goes right now. We'll see how it goes later. Yes. Oh. Oh. That thing is stiff as hell, bro. No movement. That's insane. I did not think it was going to do that much. Pretty cool. Chinese versus, I don't know, what's Kawasaki? Japanese, probably? Oh, there's something that could be rattling. I wonder, you guys see this? I wonder if that's what's been doing all the rattling we've been hearing all this time. Brother. Oops. Should I get something to actually tighten these down? Yes. I'm gonna see if I can find something.
3 days later.
This guy. Too small. Oh. That works. It's kind of goofy.
Nope.
All right. Well, so we'll just get this thing back in there, and we are good to go. Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. I'm gonna find you and take your breath away. So we got the quad fixed. It's definitely like stiff as your mama's bunghole. stiffer than that even, I think.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But yeah, we'll see if we can fix that thing later. Maybe. This thing's broken too. Need the freaking kickstand spring, otherwise you'll just stay down. She never stays up. So, on that note, catch you later, taters.